Here, the equation, x squared plus 2y minus y squared minus 1 equals to 0. And we have to find the value of x and y. It looks complicated, so we need to simplify it to solve it. So, let's simplify. Let's rearrange this equation and we get x squared minus y squared plus 2y minus 1. Now, x squared minus into whole y squared minus 2y plus 1. I think we can now apply a formula. And we can write x squared minus y minus 1 whole square. Here, another formula can be applied of a square minus b square. Now, let's write x plus y minus 1 into x minus whole y minus 1 equals to x plus y minus 1 into x minus y plus 1. Now, we can head to the equation, x plus y minus 1 into x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So, we can write x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. And x plus y equals to 1. The other one, x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So, x minus y equals to minus 1. Now by adding these two equations we get 2x equals to 0 and x equals to 0. And by subtraction we get 2y equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So, we got our answer, x equals to 0 and y equals to 1.